Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to an unboxing that I am so beyond excited about. This is the Blushing Bride box. So I got engaged a few weeks ago. I can't believe it. Oh, I am just so happy and I am so obsessed with wedding stuff. So this is seriously the perfect subscription box for me. This is a monthly bridal, like a bride-to-be subscription box, which is just exactly what I'm obsessed with right now. I actually do have my engagement video of the proposal up here on YouTube, so I'll have that linked in the description down below if you want to see the proposal at Disney World. But so just the look of this box is already so amazing to me. The pink with the gold, the ring and the word box. Like, I love the aesthetic of this. I can't wait to get into it. So without further ado, let's just get in. And I do want to give a disclaimer that this box was sent to me for free, which I am so grateful for. This is not a sponsored video. I just always give a disclaimer when something is sent to me for free. But so let's unbox it. Oh my gosh. What a beautiful presentation. Oh, we've got product information. I'm not going to look at that because I don't want to spoil it for myself. And then also the essential wedding advice every engaged couple needs to know. I'm so excited to read this. I am just obsessed with getting every single wedding book and magazine and researching. Like, I am so into this. So the website is blushingbrideboutique.co.uk. So you can subscribe to the box. You can also purchase more unique gifts. So if someone in your life just got engaged, is a bride-to-be, this could be a perfect engagement present for them. So you can use the code May22 for a 10% discount. And let's get into it. Okay, right on top, I see a notebook. Oh, not a notebook, a countdown. Days until our big day. I don't have a date yet, but it's in the works. I should have it soon, and I can't wait to start using this. This is so cute. Look at the adorable packaging. Okay, what's this here? This is the Able Skincare London Pro Expert Collagen Blue Light Restoring Hydrogel Eye Pads. I just picture getting ready for the wedding with my bridesmaids there and having the eye masks on. It's just going to be such a cute moment. Oh, I'm so excited. And these are so fun that they're blue. Ooh, we've also got a sample of biodegradable petal confetti. Oh, so cute. These are actual flower petals as confetti, grown and hand-picked by Shropshire Petals. That is adorable. Even just like to sprinkle around as decoration. So cute. Oh, and is this another biodegradable confetti? Yeah, from Shropshire Petals. Look at how pretty that is. There's a better view. Beautiful colors. Oh, this says Old New Borrowed Blue Lucky Sixpence for her shoe. Cute. Look at that, like a coin. Let's see what the product information says because I'm not too familiar with this. Oh, it just says it's a, happily ever after box with a sixpence. But I don't know what a sixpence is. Ooh. What is this? And so the adventure begins, is what this beautiful pink box says. Oh, gorgeous pens with a diamond on top. Oh, this is so cute. I love a nice pen. Oh my gosh. And then next up, oh so clever wedding to-dos. Okay, this is seriously perfect because I'm just starting out my wedding planning process. Oh, so cute. I just love everything about weddings because everything is so beautiful and cute and so my taste. Oh my gosh. So it says like things to consider, guest list, photographers, getting started. wardrobe. Oh my goodness. Wedding day, like a notebook with different tabs, budgets. Wow. There's a lot that I have to do, but I'm so excited to use this. That's adorable. And then it also comes with, oh my gosh, I love this. She said yes. This is adorable. The pink tote bag. Oh, everything in here is so adorable, like I keep saying, and I'm just so excited. Wow. This box is seriously so fun. It'll make any bride-to-be so happy and feel so excited to plan a wedding. Yay. I'm just so happy to be in this stage of my life right now. But if you have any wedding tips, I would love to hear them in the comments down below. Even just if you've ever been to a wedding. Let me know some thoughts or favorite parts of any weddings that you've been to. I'm just so excited to hear feedback and just enjoy this time, and this box is really going to help contribute to that. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.